Hello, welcome to this CA Atomic Microlearning session. Today, we will be talking about users and user groups. Whether you are a system admin, a department head, or from product support, by the end of this video, you will understand how to create a user and assign it to a user group. Let's begin in the User Management tab of the Administration perspective. We happen to be in Client 0 for this exercise, but you can do this from any client. If the user's screen is not already displayed, click on Users on the left-hand side. Let's create our first user. We move our mouse to the top of the screen and select Add User. This will open the Create User box. In this box, we can set the username and the department for the user. Once you have named your user and assigned a department, click OK. We are then shown the User tab of the user object. From here, we'll want to make sure the status of the user is active and not locked. We will also want to set a new password for the user. So let's go up to Change Password and set a new password for the user. For our purposes today, we will set this user's password to never expire. A quick tip about the Advanced section. You can use the Advanced section to assign a calendar object to the user. The effect this has is it brings the date and time settings from within the calendar objects to the user object, effectively limiting the times and particular days that this user can log in. Now that we have completed the basic settings for our first user, we need to think about what kind of permissions and authorizations this user will have. One easy way to assign permissions and authorizations to a user is to add that user to an existing user group, one with its permissions and authorizations already put in place. To start this process, I will now click on User Groups. Select the necessary user group in the right-hand column, and click the left-facing arrow in the middle to bring it over to the left column. Click Save and you are done. You have just added this user to the administrator's user group. The user we just created has now inherited all of the permissions and authorizations that have been assigned to the administrator's user group. If this situation meets our needs, great, we're all finished. However, if we do not want to make our user part of a user group, we can assign permissions and authorizations on an individual basis to a user. Thank you for taking a few minutes to learn how to create a user and then add that user to a user group. To learn more about this product, connect with other users, and share your own expertise, visit the CA community or any of the other resources shown here by clicking on the button in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Thank you very much.